Hello, everyone. My name is James Suhan. I'm a graduate support engineer here at E1 Solutions. And in this video, I'm going to go through some basics for the main Business Central widget, kind of some options, security, and how all that works with user tokens and whatnot. So to start off, I'm going to share my screen. We're going to hop on over into Popdock itself. So here I'm just in my BC widget inside of Popdock. Just connected to my BC Sandbox, got my BC Sandbox data, embed codes, security, whatever the case may be. And then over here, I have my Popdock set up. So as you can see, there's only a couple users. I have the widget ID right here, which same process as it's been. Go over to embed codes, widget ID, there it is. Now, the big thing that we've been noticing, or that I've been seeing quite a bit with new setups, is user access, usability, and just kind of things that go into and just basic setup information and permissions. So the big factor that's going to play into access to the lists is going to be the token. Now in this instance, it's set to all users share a single login. That's the most common appearance. If it's individual token based, if this model is changed to all users must have an access token, then you would just plug in the corresponding token there, which users can share tokens. It's best to do it that way, but I would still personally recommend using the single login. So with the widget, as you can see, widget ID tied to this widget with these lists that are inside the widget, all the security access for those lists are going to come down to are going to be read from whose ever token this is. Now, in this case, it is my token. That's my own user token. If we go over here into security, we can see it is my user token. Right there. Tokens. We're looking for 4B and a bunch of 6s. Right there. My user token is plugged in here. It's going to use my security access and permissions for viewing the lists, as well as features within. Which other things I see quite often are people asking, I can't create favorites. In my widget, I can't export to Excel. Couple things like that, just basic functionality. So if I just go in here and I just open up my accounts list, we can see I do have those features right here. Now, those features are, one, you would need those permissions on the user. So if I go to my sandbox connector for Business Central, we can see I have Excel exporter, favorite contributor, stuff like that, PDF exporter, things that allow me to have that functionality for that data. Now, I can have that, but if they're still not showing up, that is an option on the widget, which here in the widget, if you click on options, you can see we have various things. We have displays. Favorites is a big one. Even then, information bubble. Editing favorites, also there. Filtering, features, allowing for exporting, grouping, refresh, view type, just about everything. You can completely take this and turn it. So if I just go back into my homepage here in Popdock and I pull that same list. So financial, we're looking at accounts. As you can see, I have all those features again right there. Those come standard. The only feature missing is the edit because we can't edit it directly in BC. This is a widget. But you're changing the view, refresh, filters, favorite, exports, company dropdown. All that is available here. You could basically go through the options listed in here to get this in the widget as close to this in the web app as you want. Basically, you can have it be almost a near exact clone of it. And as I mentioned, all of the permissions for everything that goes into this widget, if using the single login, will come from the user whose token is input here. Typically, whoever it was that created the connector is what you'll want, as by default, they will have that needed access.